guys, what's up? It's Dominique. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Shein's makeup brand, SHEGLAM, for the very first time, and I'm going to be creating a look using all of the products that I picked up. And baby, I blacked out on the Shein website. Okay, so I picked up so many makeup products that I've never tried before, and I'm here to give you the real tea on what I thought about these products. You know that they've been majorly hyped up through the internet, and I am here to put these products to the test. Are they really as amazing as what it seems online? I'm a little skeptical because all of these products that I have on my face right now are under $10. So if you're excited to try out all this brand new SHEGLAM makeup with me today, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so that we can become besties. And of course, if you want the real tea on this Shein SHEGLAM makeup, keep on watching. The majority of the stuff that I got from SHEGLAM is base products because I couldn't really find any eyeshadow palettes that looked interesting to me. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow off camera really fast, and then I'll come back and we can test out everything that I have in this bag. So foundation is the next step in my makeup routine, and I have two from SHEGLAM. This is just the regular liquid foundation called the Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. And then over here I have the SHEGLAM Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm. You know, out of these two, this one intrigues me the most because it's a balm, and I've never used a balm foundation before. So this is the one that I'm going to be trying out today. But like I said, if you want to see me use this one, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. So here's the packaging of the foundation balm, and this is $8.49 on the Shein website. And I mean, look at this packaging. It comes in this cute little bag. I mean, for $8, this feels luxury. Like, this feels luxe. I'm not even kidding. Wow, I've never had one of my foundations come in like a cute little protective bag before. And for $8.49, baby. I mean, they really did that. For that price, this is cute. I will say, just by looking at their makeup, some makeup products they designed and put in high quality packages and it looks really aesthetic, but then other products are just like products, you know, just like bare packaging, like nothing crazy. So you never know what you're gonna get when you order something unless you've seen a review and know what it looks like. So it comes with a seal, which I like so it doesn't dry out. I will say it's really hard to find my shade online. I had absolutely no idea what my shade would be, so I just picked up a random one, and this is in the shade Sand. I'm excited. This is supposed to be a full coverage foundation balm. I've never used a foundation before like this. I'm just gonna dip my brush into here and just get some off. It's not creamy, you know? It's like coming off a little. It reminds me of a cream bronzer. I feel like I'm about to put a cream bronzer all over my face. It has a scent. It's not a bad scent. It smells like a spa, kinda. You know what? This feels dry. So I'm just gonna take my setting spray and I'm gonna moisten it up just a little. Hopefully it will help. Maybe using a wet beauty sponge would be best for this because it's already wet and has some moisture in it rather than using a sponge. Honestly, the shade is not bad. I feel like I didn't pick that horribly of a shade, so I'm not mad at it. If you want something lightweight, this is not it. This is thick. Also very full coverage, like it says, so that's good. It's also giving a matte finish. It's not that easy to work with, only because it's thick and it's not very creamy and wet. So spraying it definitely helped, but you still gotta put in that arm workout just to help blend it in. I mean, it doesn't look as thick as it feels on the skin, so that is really, really good. I just have really dry skin, so I feel like my skin is crying for some hydration right now. But I do feel like this foundation would last all day long through any weather. And baby, I'm just being honest. I have no reason to lie to you. I will say that I do feel like my face is looking a little snatched. It feels a little heavy and feels a little thick, but it looks good. Honestly, it does. So for concealer, I got the SHEGLAM 12 Hour Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Shortbread, and this is literally $3.99. Are you kidding me? I was a little scared with buying, you know, these shades online because you can't see them in person, but this does not look that bad. The applicator is just a flat standard applicator. The packaging is just, it's okay, you know, nothing crazy. For $3.99 she works. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which is really nice because sometimes cheaper makeup, it just smells straight up like factory. So it's nice that this one does not. But I will say that it is blending out really nicely and it is full coverage for sure. It does brighten up my under eyes perfectly. I mean, look at this. It is bright. But this formula is also matte. It's not drying down super fast, which I really appreciate, and especially for a more matte concealer, it's important that it does not dry down fast. So that way you can blend it out still when you get to the center of your face, you know, and not have that crusty, dry down concealer that always sucks and ruins everything. I really like this concealer. I think that it looks really good. It blended out so nicely, and look at how it brightened up my face. I am loving it. It's so pretty. These next 3 products I am so excited to try out, and these products are the reason why I even decided to try out SHEGLAM makeup in the first place, because these look intriguing to me, especially the packaging, okay? So these are the liquid SHEGLAM products. This is a liquid blush, we have a liquid bronzer, and a liquid highlighter. These are $4.99 each, so very affordable, and the shades in these are really nice, especially the blush. I'm obsessed with these. So I'm so excited to try these out, okay? First, I'm going to start off with the liquid bronzer because I always do bronzer first before I apply my blush and highlight. This little packaging is so cute with the metallic words right here. I'm obsessed, and it's just the box. Okay, look at this. Look at this beautiful package. Oh my gosh, she is beauty. She is grace. She is gorgeous. How is this $4.99? I feel like this is a steal for a product like this. But it's not about the packaging, it's about the product. So let's test it out. It has this little sponge applicator right here. And I'm just gonna dot it on my face where I would apply the bronzer. It's really wet and cold. And I don't really know how I feel about this shade. I don't really know. I'm only gonna do one half of my face first, just in case it dries down fast. Now I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm going to stamp it out and up towards the temple of my face. I don't wanna drag it down at all. I just wanna tap it up. Did anybody else see how fast that blended out? This is a matte liquid bronzer formula, so it should be completely matte. I will say the shade is kind of more on the cooler side. I wouldn't say it's very warm. I might use the next shade darker just for a little bit more extraness when it comes to the bronze. The best part about this is that it does not dry down fast. You actually have a pretty long time where you can work and blend this out, which I really appreciate and love. These bronzers are also very pigmented, so I love that as well. And I've seen a ton of hype about these products online, so it makes me skeptical when I see a whole bunch of people loving a single product. You know, I'm like, is it really that good? Or are people just, you know, loving it for the clout or the hype? Liquid bronzer is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love this product so much. It's so pigmented. It blends really nicely. It has an amazing workaround time. And plus, it gave me the most beautiful bronze. Now let's try out the blush version. The box looks exactly the same, except it's pink. The shade I'll be using is Love Cake. I thought I loved the bronzer packaging. This one is the exact same packaging, but it's pink. Listen to how the packaging even clicks when you close it. I'm obsessed already, and I haven't even tried it. It comes with the exact same sponge tip, so I'm just gonna put a few dots where I would usually place my blush. Oh my gosh, this color is so cute. Did I put too much? I guess we'll find out. The product is cold when you put it on your skin, which is so weird, but refreshing at the same time. It's blending out really nicely, honestly. And she is definitely pigmented. I think I'm just gonna put on a few more dots just because I'm extra. I feel like the shade of this is really nice. I love it a lot, actually. I love how this sounds. I love pink blushes like this, so I'm really loving this. I will be using this more because look at how cute it is. I'm obsessed with these two. Now we gotta try the third baby to complete our little trio. The box for the liquid highlight is the exact same, and this is in the shade Vanilla Frost. Look at how cute it is. It's the exact same packaging as the blush and bronzer, so you know I'm obsessed. Ooh, we have a different applicator here. For the liquid highlight, we have a standard doe foot applicator, and it's kind of a bigger one. one, but you can see that the product already looks beautiful on it. So let's put a little on top of the blush. I'm a little skeptical of liquid highlighter because I feel like when you blend out liquid highlighter, it just like goes away and like soaks into the skin. So let's see how this looks once I blend it out with my little brush. Oh, she's highlighting. It got all in my concealer because I used a really big brush. So maybe I should use a smaller brush. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I don't really like liquid highlighter, so the fact that this looks this good, I actually like it a lot. And if I'm ever needing to use a liquid highlight again, I will probably be using this one. But out of all three, I will say that the blush definitely is my favorite, and then the bronzer, and then the highlight. Now it's time to set my face, so I'm going to be using the SHEGLAM Baked Glow Setting Powder. And I mean, Baked Glow Setting Powder, that is everything that I look for in a setting powder. This is $4.49. This is in the shade light brown, and the packaging is just okay, but I feel like this shade is gonna be way too dark. Oh, it comes with a puff? That's cute. I'm just gonna set my T-zone with some other powder because I have a feeling this light brown powder is gonna be way too dark for me, and I'm probably just gonna have to use it to set where I put my bronzer. Now I'm gonna take my light brown powder that I know is way too dark for me, and I'm gonna set it over my bronzer on my forehead first, just to test the shade because I'm scared. There's no way that I really thought this light brown powder was gonna fit me. Like, why did I buy that? Why did I buy light brown? Oh my god. And this is supposed to be a baked glow powder. Baby, where's the glow at? This is a no for me. This added no glow to my skin. It added just brown to my skin, okay? I did not like this. I didn't like how it was setting my face, you know. I will probably never be using this again, and I will be giving it away to someone who has a deeper skin tone than me because I can't wear this. I'm gonna put a little blush over the powder because, baby, if this blends in like a dream on top of powder, then this is an exceptional liquid blush. Some liquid blushes do not work over powder, and that's how you know the formula just isn't good. And you can see that it blended out perfectly on top of powder. Oh my god. Oh my god, you can use this on top of powder. I'm shook right now. Oh yes, I'm obsessed. We are finally on the last step, and that is the lip. So I'm just gonna line my lips with my favorite lip liner, and this is the one by Anastasia in the shade Cool Brown. So I have these new lipsticks by SHEGLAM, and these are the Dynamite Boom Long Lasting Matte Lipstick. And these shades were so pretty, so I picked up a few. And the shade that's calling my name today is the shade Rule Breaker. It looks like it's a pink. Okay, the packaging is cute. It has like this nice ombre effect, and it comes double wrapped. The packaging is actually really cute in person. It has a frosted feel to it, plus the SHEGLAM logo right here is raised. This is the shade Rule Breaker. It's exactly what I thought, a nice baby pink. Let's put it on. I might hate it. It feels really good when you put it on. It's really creamy. It feels really good. I feel like this could be transfer proof, seriously. I love transfer proof lipsticks because then I don't have to worry about it. Once I go out, it's on and I don't have to worry about it smearing, and I love that. It looks like it's all dry down at this point, and it feels really comfortable, and I'm not just saying that. It feels really good. Now here's the real test. I'm gonna kiss the back of my hand and I'm gonna see if anything comes off. Just the lip liner. These are definitely transfer proof lipsticks. I mean, they said long lasting on the package, and I just thought it was gonna be nice and matte and long lasting. But baby, these dried down and they are not going anywhere. These are $5.99 and they're definitely worth all $5.99, okay? Because me and transfer proof lipsticks are best friends. Always. I'm gonna put on a little Summer Fridays lip balm just to hydrate my lips a little. And here we are. This is the final makeup look using all SHEGLAM makeup. And honestly, I will say I am impressed by most of these products that I tried out today. I was not expecting them to be that good. When I see makeup priced that low, I become a little skeptical because I'm like, how can the formula be that amazing? And I hold all my products to the same expectations. I need them all to perform amazingly, regardless of the price. So the fact that I loved most of these products that I tried out today is something that makes me so happy, and I'm actually glad that I tried out SHEGLAM because some of these products are going to be my new go-to. Like this liquid blush was sent from the heavens above. I had so much fun creating this SHEGLAM look today, and I cannot wait to try out the rest of these products. So if you want to see part 2 of me testing out the rest of my SHEGLAM makeup product that I still have in this bag, give this video a thumbs up and a comment because I would love to make a part 2. I had so much fun sitting down and trying out a bunch of new makeup from SHEGLAM with you today. I had so much fun. There's nothing more exciting to me than trying out new makeup. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And before you go, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you've tried any of these SHEGLAM products before. Because baby, as you know, this liquid blush is my favorite. What's yours? And of course, don't forget to subscribe so that you know when I upload my next video. I can't wait to see you there. I will see you on the next one.